Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the colors name. Light green color, purple color, light blue color, red color and orange color. Now let's learn the numbers counting 1 to 10. First 1, number 1. Next 2, number 2. Next kids 3, number 3. Next 4, number 4. Next kids 5, number 5. Next kids, repeat again. 1, number 1. Next 2, number 2. Next kids 3, number 3. Next 4, number 4. Next 5, number 5. Next kids 6, number 6. Next kids 7, number 7. Next 8, number 8. Next kids 9, number 9. Next kids 10, 1, 0, 10. Repeat again. 6, number 6. Next 7, number 7. Next 8, number 8. Next kids 9, number 9. Next 10, 1, 0, 10, number 10. What we learn? We learn 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 0, 10. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.